Hello, in this video I'm going to replace the steering damper in my Ford F250. It's a 2017 model. I'm going to try to keep the introduction and the preamble kind of short. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, it does help. But basically, I wasn't originally planning on shooting this video, but I went to go do the job and then I realized you kind of need a special tool. You'll need something like this, a Pitman arm puller, in order to pop the damper off one of the steering linkages. It has a tapered shaft that goes into the steering linkage, and so it's not going to come out very easily. So I just wanted to give people a heads up, ahead of time, so you don't get under there and just be like, dang it, you need to run to the parts store and buy something or rent something. So I just wanted to give that warning. Other than that, it's a fairly straightforward job. 18 millimeter nut on one side, 15 millimeter bolt where it bolts to the frame, and it goes out. Put the new one in, good to go. So let's get underneath that truck, and you can see I'm already started and show you what's involved, and give you a little bit of background on what I replaced it with was a Monroe, which I don't like, and you'll see why.
Okay. So the one end I already removed, 15 millimeter bolt. Here, there's an 18 millimeter socket. Well, I have a arm puller on it right now, but it looks like that's what's going to be required to get the damper off that whatever control arm, tie rod of some sort. So was not expecting that. I thought I'd just slip out, but here we are. So the Monroe replaces this with this, and you can see there's a shaft. Whoops, I dropped some there, and two nuts that hold it in. So I don't know if it's good or worse, good or bad, but that's the difference. All right, the new one's installed. Not sure I'd go with Monroe again. I think I like the Motorcraft one better, especially since this one doesn't have a dust cover over on this end. I would prefer that. Also, this end bit's a little janky. I mean, it's not bad, but seems like a lot of extra work. But yep, there we are. It's installed. Pretty easy.
All right, I hope that helped you out. And again, please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and take it easy.